Excuse my look. I just got the Fabfitfun box in the mail. I thought I would unbox it with you, so like I said, I'm kind of looking rough, but here it is. This is the fall box. I'm super excited to get it. I have not opened it yet. I have my scissors. So for those of you who don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a subscription service which comes 4 times a year for every season. It comes for winter, spring, summer, fall, and it costs $49.99. Now that may seem a lot, and it sure is, but I use there's coupon codes everywhere if you look online, and it gives you $10 off of your first box. After that, you do pay, the $49. But I will say, everything that's in the subscription box is well over that price. The first box that I received was over 2 months ago. It was the summer box, and I loved it. And I got my For You Fofo in there, which I love. And that on its own is like 40 bucks, I want to say, and I only paid $40. So everything else that I got was like well above that. But I have not opened it, so I thought that we would do it together. So let's get started. By the way, I'm gonna link my referral code down below so that you guys can click and order if you're interested. All right, so here it goes. With every Fabfitfun, you get a catalog, and it shows you what's in it, what you could have gotten, or something else. So like here it's showing you could have gotten this or that. They always send you some kind of coupons in here, like, so $50 gift card to HelloFresh. It's $25 your first 2 boxes and free shipping for a cooking meal service. $3 off the Luna Rica like chocolate bars. Okay, but on to the good stuff. I got a beauty blender. You guys, look at this color. Each box is gonna come with a beauty blender. Obviously it's $20. Colors may vary. I got this like a light pink, so I'm excited for that. Next thing I got is the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. This day cream is a chock full of active ingredients like camellia, rosehip oil, jojoba oil to visibly improve hydration, balance, natural sebum level, soothe skin, and repair the UV damage. This is $49. So even just this alone already made the box. The packaging is like this. I am very excited. The next thing I got is the Blue and Capri Shower Gel, and it's by Skin&Co. It has alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It's an Italian collection, and it's worth $22. Use this as a shower gel or a bubble bath. It smells fresh, but it's not like abundantly like herby, because I don't really like that herbal scent, but it smells nice. It's like a gentle scent. The next items I got are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks, which they retail for $18, so I'm guessing $9 a piece. And these are oxygenating deep cleanse masks. So basically it's the one that you put it on and it starts to bubble and tingle, like you'll see it puff up a little bit, but it's in a sheet mask form. I've never tried this. I've tried some products from Glam Glow, but never this. So I'm excited that I got not 1 but 2. Ooh, I got a French press coffee maker. I've been so into coffee lately. This is worth $22, and it says easy to brew the perfect cup of joe with a stainless steel coffee press. It's just basically a coffee, hold on, I don't want to open it just yet, but it's basically a coffee maker that looks like that right there, which I'm super excited I got to play around with this. I've been enjoying more of espressos in my iced caramel macchiatos, but this I will definitely show my husband. He will be very happy that we got this. The next thing I got is from Pharmacy. I'm pretty sure this is sold at Sephora, and it is the Do It All Total Eye Cream. I love eye creams. and I've never tried this particular one, so I'm excited I got this. This retails for $38. Works on fine lines and dark circles. This is a moisturizing eye cream, helps minimize visible signs of aging, stress, and fatigue while reducing the appearance of dark circles. So if it all does all that, thank you, because I need it. And this is a full-size product. It's not deluxe size, and it looks like this. The packaging is so cute. It's like a wooden cap. So I will definitely use this and let you guys know how I love this. Next thing that I got are Simply Whimsical tea towels. And these are basically for the kitchen towels. It's like this. These retail for $14.99. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. Hang or lay flat to air dry for after use. Like I said, this isn't just beauty, it's house, it's fitness. So I love that I got this. I've been into gray lately, so this is definitely going in my kitchen. Let's move on to the next item. So Luna Rica gave me the salted caramel nut bar, which I guess they knew that this was coming to me because salted caramel is like my jam. I think even in my caramel macchiatos, that's all I drink. It's made from recognizable ingredients like dates and nuts. And this box is sponsored by them, so they just threw one in here. It's not tallied into the total of the box worth, but I'm gonna eat this after I'm done filming here. So the next item that I got was the Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds. And I got mine in the color white. It looks like this. Very good, because I've been needing new earbuds and I don't have the wireless ones. So it says that it charges for 2 hours, play time is 4 hours, talk time is 4.5 hours. So I am ready to use these. So, and this retails for $40. And last but not least, I got crown brushes. Brush set. I'm trying to open this up, and it's if you haven't seen my recent video, I will link it up here. I talk about some of my favorite face brushes, and crown brushes is one of them that I love using. So I'm happy that I got a set. It comes like a little portfolio. Ooh, how cute. You know, I'm gonna use this brush. So it came with a nice little powder brush, some 4 eye brushes and 2 basically face brushes. And this retails for $75. To be honest, I don't think it's worth $75. I think you could buy a set like this on their site for $24. But let's just pretend it's $75. I will tally up all of the total of the box up here and let you guys know how much my whole box is worth. Like I said, this box is $49.99. It is seasonal, but you saw how much I got, and I feel like it's well over the $50 price. The one thing that I was like about was the crown brushes set, because I could have got either the crown brush set or a Vince Camuto tote, which I would have kind of liked instead. But the brush set looks very nice. I will use those for sure. But overall, this box is amazing. Like I said, if you want to sign up, I will link my referral code down below. This video is not sponsored. I don't make a commission off of what you do. It's just a referral code that just basically gives me a bonus off of my next purchase. But if you like seeing videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, this was a quick video that I thought I'd put together because I just got my box. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, bye.